Okay team, so in this video we're going to go through the obliques, okay? So we're going to go through like what people would call kind of oblique crunches or reaches. For me, basically what we're looking at here is basically frontal plane movement, okay? Yeah, so we're using the obliques, but we're putting the body through lateral flexion side to side, all right? So the way that we can do this, there's plenty of ways to be able to do it. But what we want to try today is go into a split stance position, and we're going to go from one side, then over to the other, like so. From one to the other, so side bending, holding on to weight that you feel there is manageable in that split stance position, changing legs, and then go from there, side to side as well, okay? The reason why I don't like to do 2 feet, both over at the same time like so, is because the pelvis in this position, okay, gives us now a little bit more freedom of movement because we can move then the pelvis from side to side a lot easier. Okay, so in that position there with left leg forward or right leg forward, we can side bend, okay, we can move quite freely, quite nicely, as we're here, we're pretty static and rigid in terms of that position. So there's quite a lot more tension that will be going through the back when we do it that way, as we're in here, the split stance, we're in a more secure position to be able to do that. So to be able to get more out of the obliques, okay, yeah, from a lateral perspective, then try that one. If you want to increase the intensity, what you can do is the same position, okay, and instead of just reaching there to the side, you can bring the opposite arm up and reach over like so. Reaching over, try not to fall over, okay, yeah, so what will help you with that is to have a wider split stance, reach over, and then come back, like so. Reaching across and over, and that adds a lot more intensity to it. If you want to add even more onto it, send both arms over, okay? I'm not going to show you that one today though. So you can try that one to make it a little bit harder. If you want to make it easier, then again, go back to the start, okay? And just from there, just simply just side bend, nice and slowly, bring it back to the top. Slowly, bring it back to the top from that position there. Okay, team? And again, obviously, choose the weights there that are going to suit you best. And again, I would try going more for time over repetitions as well. 1 minute on one side, change over, 1 minute on the other, okay? So give that a go. Hope that helps. If you need any other help or support with any other kind of core training or any training whatsoever, then give us a shout and let us know. I'll see you in the next video.